So, sir, you watched Deadpool. How was it?
It could have been way better than what we expected it to be, but it was still fine though.
It could have been way better.
Yeah. There was a lot of like humor in a Marvel movie, doesn't make sense.
It was really good, and there was like unexpected cameos also, a lot of them.
Really fun after such a long time. Not going to say anything about the cameos, but blew my mind.
Yeah, it was really amazing.
Amazing, better than all the expectations that you can go with. They have done justice to both the characters, and it's a visual delight. Yeah.
तो डेडपुल और वुल्वरीन आज फाइनली रिलीज हो चुकी है और मैं आ चुका हूँ लोगों से पूछने के लिए कि उनको ये फिल्म कैसी लग रही है। तो चलिए बात करते हैं। So, you saw the film Deadpool. How was it?
It was really good, and there was like unexpected cameos also, a lot of them.
Yeah, it was amazing, better than all the expectations that you can go with. They have done justice to both the characters, and it's a visual delight. Yeah.
It could have been way better than what we expected it to be, but it was still fine though.
It could have been way better.
Yeah. There was a lot of like humor in a Marvel movie, doesn't make sense.
A lot of references and basically a lot of good cameos, some unexpected cameos as well. And I really enjoyed the movie. It was really good.
Really fun after such a long time. Not going to say anything about the cameos, but blew my mind.
What about acting and storyline?
That's great. I mean, that's Marvel, man. Everything's great acting wise, but otherwise, it was like it could have been way better than what it was.
Everyone was really good, but Ryan Reynolds has some really good dialogues, and he broke the fourth wall a lot, so that was really good.
The story is pretty good. Yeah. It's actually good. Like maybe it feels a little bit too much sometimes, but it's kept under check. So it's a pretty strong story. I think it's probably the best movie since Endgame came out in Marvel. Yeah, absolutely.
Story, they kept it light that way, so it was mainly to enjoy it. No problem as such. Really enjoyed it.
Everyone performed well, but the show stealer was of course Dogpool. Amazing. She was really cute.
So, if you're talking about Hugh Jackman, so how did it felt watching Hugh Jackman as Wolverine after so long?
It was really good. Actually, I've not really seen X-Men a lot, but all of the original characters who were there in the film, spoilers.
It was great. I actually watched Logan in 2017 in the theater, and it was amazing to see him back after 7 years. And they've kept him true to the character, and the comic accurate suit, amazing.
Too good. In fact, I couldn't think they would really top Logan, but it's really on par. Too good.
It's pretty good, but again, it could have been way better.
Talking about comeback, so can we expect Iron Man or Captain America in future?
Probably. I mean, there is a spoiler in this. You'll see it. I don't want to say much, but you'll see it. Hopefully.
No, I mean I'm not sure, but basically Logan was from Fox, and they took brought him into Marvel, and renewed him with the actual suit from the comics. So it was something that I don't think so that Iron Man and Captain would come back.
I highly doubt. Not after Endgame ending, and also the short web series about Iron Man, which was there. After that ending, I highly doubt.
If you get a chance to rate the film out of 5, so how much would you rate?
A 4. There was a lot of violence, but it was really good.
Any Marvel references did you saw?
There were too many to keep. I won't spoil anything for anyone, but there were too many Marvel references.
So how much would you rate the film out of 5?
Out of 5, a strong 4.75.
Out of 5, 4.
Out of 5, it was a solid 4.5.
Yeah, 3 on 5.
जैसे कि आपने देखा कि लोगों को डेडपुल और वुल्वरीन काफी ज्यादा पसंद आ रही है, तो आप भी जाओ और ये फिल्म देखो और हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि आपको ये फिल्म कैसी लगी। So hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.